You know, Daffodil's visit last year inspired me to write my book, A Honey of a Bunny.
Did you hear that, Daffodil? You're a star.
Ooh! Who is this? Look at
This is Clifford, my new puppy.
Oh,
Oh, brother. Everyone keeps saying Clifford is so little and so cute. Hey, maybe if they see how little and cute I am, Emily Elizabeth will realize that she doesn't need Clifford around anymore. She might even return him.
Daffodil? What are you doing? Oh, no. You have to treat books very carefully. They're very precious. You can't ever push them on the floor like that.
This is one of my very favorite books. It's all about the different types of bridges that can be built.
Oh, I know! Wow!
That's one beautiful bridge, isn't it?
Wow, this bridge is really big.
It's amazing how different all these bridges can look from one another.
Look at Clifford.
Daffodil!
Daffodil, no, you're too big to do that.
It's okay, Daffodil. I'll get you out. Just calm down. You're okay now, Daffodil. I've got you.
Fortunately, our book is okay, too.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Solomon. I guess Daffodil just didn't realize what a big girl she is.
Gosh, Daffodil, I'm sorry. I didn't know it was so awful.
It wasn't awful. I just thought it was. Emily Elizabeth still paid lots of attention to me, and she told me all the time how much she loved me, but I just wasn't used to living with you yet.
Well, it sure sounds like it was awful to me.
The truth is, Lucy, I was just jealous of all the attention that Clifford was getting, and I didn't want to share Emily Elizabeth with anyone else.
I know what you mean. So, what did you do?
Well, one day, Emily Elizabeth came home and announced,
Daffodil, Clifford, it's a special day today. Clifford has been with us for one whole week now, so I brought you each a present to celebrate. I'm so lucky to have both of you.
Emily Elizabeth, come on, it's time to go.
I'm going to the store with Mom right now, but I know you two will be just fine here alone. After all, you have each other.
I don't want to play right now, Clifford. Whoa! Oh, it's just thunder. What is it, Clifford? Are you scared? Well, come here, little guy. Don't worry, that's just thunder, Clifford. It happens a lot when it rains.
Wow, that's a great story, Daffodil. And now Clifford is your best friend.
He's more than my friend, Lucy. He's my brother. I mean, you just gotta love him.
Oh, baby, shh. Hush now, hush.
What's the matter with him, Mama?
Nothing. Nothing really. The baby's just very cranky and I can't get him to stop crying.
Don't cry, baby. I'm Lucy, your big sister, and we're gonna be best friends.
He stopped just for you, Lucy.
Of course he did. He's my brother, and you just gotta love him.